Hello, my sewing friends. Well, I didn't mean to do this. I really didn't. But anyway, I did it anyway. I needed to go to Joann's and Hobby Lobby recently. Joann's, it was for patterns, which I'll tell you about later. But I had to buy some fabric. Oh, I seriously did not mean to do this, but oh well. Let me just show you what I bought. Because I was at Joann's getting actually one pattern because of reasons which you probably don't care about, but I'll tell you real quickly anyway. Remember I said there were two Joann's, one 20 minutes east and the other kind of south? The one that's east is the one that's easy for me to get to. Actually, the one south isn't that hard, but anyway, I was looking for McCall's patterns and they didn't have one, and so I looked in the drawer and they were missing like 20 patterns, like going from, I don't know, 9707 to like 9736. It was ridiculous. So I went up to the counter and I said, okay, I can understand if you're missing one or two new patterns, but look how many you're missing. And she said, oh yeah. You know, we had a manager who mistakenly thought a while ago that those were discards, and now McCall's won't send us any to replace them. And I thought, wow, well, on the one hand serves you right, on the other hand, great, now what? And she said, you're just gonna have to go to probably the other Joann's and they'll have it. And I thought, dang, well, now I know if I want patterns, I should go to the other one. So anyway, so I was already at Joann's, the other one, to get this one pattern. And I noticed they had a lot of clearance going on. And I also noticed that some of the fabrics that I have really liked, the shirtings for the summer, were not on sale. And I had like a 50% off coupon. So I thought, wow, that's going to be 50% off. Maybe I should just get it. So I got everything they had on this bolt, which was about 2 yards. But this is so pretty. It, again, it's just one of their shirtings. I'm pretty sure it's all cotton, but I'm not positive. Even if it is poly cotton, I'm going to wash and dry it the same way. So this is just a little polka dot. I think it's so pretty. This is one of my favorite colors. It's almost periwinkle blue, which is purpley blue. And my daughter Emma and I, she's an artist, like seriously an artist, and she and I have this ongoing discussion. Mom, it's purple. Honey, it's blue. Mom, it's purple. Honey, it's blue. So I think she would call this blue. But I just love it. It's kind of delicate, kind of just, I don't know. It's a shirting, so it's a little bit sheer. Hello. But not too bad. Isn't that pretty? I just think it's gorgeous. That was what drew me, was the color. Well, and I went into Hobby Lobby for something. I can't even remember now what, but I always walk by and see what kind of fabric is either on sale or on clearance, and I found some seasonal stuff that was on clearance. They're already getting ready for Christmas. Can you believe that? Wow. Well, anyway, so I found 3 fabrics, and I was thinking, oh, I'll just get, I don't know, a couple of yards of each. You know, they were, I can't remember, like 50 or 60% off. So I thought, okay. You know, I think they were $8.99 originally, so that stuff was, this was $12.99, I think, and so 2 yards. I spent about $16 between the pattern and this, so that wasn't too bad. So anyway, I ended up getting 4 yards of each one because I wanted to make sure that I had enough for whatever it was I wanted to do, and I walked up to the register and sticker shock. I thought, I did not mean to spend that much money, but I guess I'm gonna have to do without a few things in the future, in the near future. So let me show you what I got. This is, oh gosh, I don't even know what you'd call this. It's like a rough cotton, I don't know, like a bottom weight cotton. You're going to notice a theme here. This is blue and white stripes. It was the blue. Anything that's a denim-y kind of blue, you got me. I say bottom weight, but it's very lightweight bottom weight. And it's kind of rough. It's probably just a poly cotton, but I don't remember what you would call this. So it's got a little bit of texture to it. So yeah, I just thought it was really, really pretty. So I got about 4 yards of that. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I never do when I buy fabric like this. And then I found this rayon. I think it's a poly rayon. And it's also a stripe. And again, I just really liked the stripe. This feels so soft, and it's got just such beautiful drape. You can kind of see. Anyway, I just thought it was really pretty. So I bought 4 yards of it. I was going to buy like, I don't know, a lot less, like 2 yards. And then I thought, no, I want to have enough for whatever it is I want to do. So I went ahead and bought 4. Yeah, well, what can you do? Buy 4 yards. And then I was so glad that I found this. And this is just a chambray. Again, it's blue. Kind of have a blue thing going on here, but I just love blue. I love this color blue. I love aqua too, but I just thought this was really pretty. And the thing about this was, I have often wanted chambray to do some project, and I've never had any. So I needed to make sure that I did that. I do happen to have the thing. The prices were $8.99 for most of them, $11.99 for this one, and yeah, $8.99 for the other two. And I got them for half off. So this is what I didn't anticipate. The two that were $8.99, the chambray and the stripe, were $18, and this one was $24. So yeah, did not realize that I was going to spend that much money. So a little bit of sticker shock, but okay, like I said, I'll do without some things in the near future, probably patterns. I don't buy fabric very often, so I'm not feeling terrible about it, but I'm feeling kind of, I don't know, uncomfortable about it. So anyway, so a whole lot of blue going on here. Seriously, a whole lot of blue. And a couple of stripes, dots, and chambray. So these are all headed for the washer. And that's really all I wanted to show you for now. So yeah, if you hit any of the sales at Hobby Lobby or Joann's, let me know. Anyway, that's it for now for me. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.